Hey my dudes and my chicks, and neither if those rules don't apply to you. Today I'm going to be creating this look with the AmyHeartsMakeup collaboration with, no, AMIheartsbeauty. Oh, for fuck's sake. It's AmyLovesMakeup at collaborating with AMIheartsbeauty. So AmyLovesMakeup is the YouTube content creator, and then AMIheartsbeauty is the brand. AMIheartsbeauty is the brand. And they together created the Alma palette. This is what it looks like. It's fucking bomb. And this is the color story. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I created this look, stay here. Really quickly, I do want to say, like, I ordered this palette a long time ago, and some kind of mix-up got happened in the pre-shipment. And I was like getting worried, and I finally kind of made a like bold move that I feel a little like I stepped on. I shouldn't have maybe done it, but I actually emailed AmyLovesMakeup, like the content creator, and she emailed me back so fast, and she had it handled so fast that it just like, I mean, she just burned a little place in my heart when she did that. So I just love her so much, and I'm really grateful that I got a chance to like support her. She's so fucking nice, and she posted a video, I'll link it below and in the card above, that about like abusive relationships, and like really got vulnerable about her own story. And it really, like, when I saw that video, it like really I just identified with it so strongly, and it really made me feel like more connected to her. And so yeah, I'll put a card to that video up here. Yeah, just keep watching, because this fucking palette is fun as fuck to play with. So yeah, I'll see you in a second, or just stay here, or Okay, so I'm going to start with the color Spirit, and I'm just going to use that in my crease and see kind of where we go with that. I'm using my Morphe JH33. I just kind of wanted to see how light this was on my skin tone. That's a really nice periwinkle color. I'm just gonna build that. Actually, that's super buildable. You can really deepen up the crease with that. I was thinking I might have to go a little bit darker, but you really don't. So with my Zoeva 221, I'm going to use the color Dreamweaver to just kind of blend out that outer edge. That's just really a nice gradient. I don't even need to work with that at all. This is going to be quick. I'm just going to put a little tiny, teensy bit of this color Taurus in the outer V to give it some dimension, and maybe not even that tiny of a bit. You know, the more dimension you have, the better your look is, period. So I'm not going to use a tiny bit, because every time I try to do that, when I'm done, my look just looks flat. But I'm really just keeping this concentrated in the crease, if you guys can see that. And I'm pushing, so you shouldn't push on your fucking eye. I'm pushing because I have a hooded eye and I'm in a little bit of a hurry, so I want to get this done as quickly as possible. See, if you push, you can really get that in that. It's like in the upper part. So when you look straight on, you can still see it. looks really good. Okay, so back with my JH33, I'm going to go back into color Spirit. Just dipping into that a little bit to blend that outer V, or to blend that crease color. And then back to my Zoeva 221, where the fuck is it? And into the color Dreamweaver once again. Just a little bit more product. With my Kaleidos S5, I'm going to use this color Taurus, and I'm going to run that along my lower lid, and I'm just going to kind of connect these two. I like that. Pretty. Okay. And then with my JH33, I'm going into the color Spirit, and I'm just going to blend that out. And with my Zoeva 221, I'm going into the color Dreamweaver, and I'm just going to blow the fuck out of this. And actually, I'm going to go in and around, because that's been like my thing lately. I've been really liking going this route and just really bringing that all the way around. Back in with the S5 and just that looks bomb. Okay. So what now? I'm going to use my JH42, this little tiny brush, and I'm going to use this to apply my NYX glitter primer. Oh, I do that every time. It's funny. Zoeva 234, and you know what? I'm going to go into the color Lover, this like light purple. I've noticed that this palette looks very different on everybody that does a video on it. The palette looks completely different when they're on their camera than it does on other people's. And then I'm going to go into the color Wish, that baby blue, on the other side of the brush. And I'm just going to pack that. And actually, I'm just going to try it with my finger because AmyLovesMakeup uses her finger. And she really gets some fucking payoff, dude. And then my JH39 pencil brush, I'm going to use the color Wish. And I'm going to spray this. Morphe JH40. And I'm going to dip into this again because, like I said, I'm tired of, like, every time I go to the mirror after I finish a look, it needs more deepening. Okay, what am I doing now? Oh, I'm going to take this color Lover on my finger, and I'm just going to pack this back. Yeah. Okay, and so the other thing I wanted to do was take the color, where are you? I'm going to go back in with my Morphe JH39 pencil brush, and I'm going to take this color Kindness, the pink, and I'm going to put that on my lower lid. This color's like a ColourPop Super Shock Shadow. It's really buttery and creamy. Come here. Come here. Ooh. I'm just going to dip into that color Dreamweaver a little bit. Blend this out. I love this. So these are the inner corner highlights, and they're fucking bomb, dude. So there's like a blue one, a pink one, and a purple one. Which one do I want to use today? The blue one?
Bitch, I want to use the blue one today.
I'm going to use the blue one. Oh my gosh. And then I'm just going to use this blue to highlight my brow bone. Awesome. Okay, I'm going to put something in my waterline, do my other e-ball, and then put on some lipstick, and I'll be back when I'm done. It could take a while because I can't even get it out of my mouth. That ain't the only thing I can't get out of my mouth. Okay, so this is it. This is a finished piece of art. I fucking love this palette. And honestly, like now that I've worked with it a little bit and I can kind of see like what comes out purple and like just kind of fuck with it and see like what comes out blue, what comes out pink, like how can I get more pink looks, and I don't know why, there's just, this palette just makes so much sense to me, and it's like so unique, and the color story is so great, and you can get really good depth and still have a really pastel look. So I'm really excited about it. I used my LA Girl Neon Shockwave in Vivid. I need to get some other motherfucking light colors. In Vivid. I use my Lime Crime Plushies in Milk Tea on my lips, and yeah. I fucking love this look. It's amazing. I like it that these Lime Crime Plushies, if you like put them on a little thicker and then pat them down, they're a little bit more full coverage, but they're not quite opaque, like 100% opaque. Anyways, I love this palette. I love this look. Hit the like button if you guys like this. Subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you can see every time I upload. I'm super excited about this palette, and I'm really glad that I finally got it. Anyways, you guys could have been anywhere, but you were here spending time with me, and I appreciate you so much.